Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, December 12th. Can't believe it's less than 2 weeks until Christmas. Hope you guys are doing well and enjoying the season. Everything is good here. I got some happy mail that I wanted to share with you, as well as some things that I've purchased. So let's get started. The first item is this beautiful card that I received from my friend Muriel, who is Ms. Cooper's Coop here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below. Thank you so much for the beautiful card, Muriel. It is so pretty. I love the sentiment stickers that you used. Merry season and joyful, merry under the tree, lovely little moments, and the really pretty sprigs here. And you added some little gems in the corner. And it looks so pretty with the paper that you chose that has the 3 stripes, the green, this kind of like pinky orange color, and then the red at the bottom, and a green card base. It's so pretty. And then the inside says, Jen, may your season be touched with the simple grace of his love. Merry Christmas, Muriel. And I love how Muriel writes her channel name. So thank you so much, Muriel. This is beautiful, and it means a lot to me that you thought enough to send that to me. Next, I got a little package from my friend Susie Emery. So thank you so much, Susie. She sent me a box full of things, so I can't wait to share with you. I didn't even open this yet. This is the card that it came with, and it's this really nice craft envelope, and this stamp is so cute. Merry Christmas on the garland with the holly leaves. And then a cute little sticker. I think this is from new My Creative Time release, if I'm not mistaken. It's probably, looks like you maybe fussy cut that. Wow, that is really good fussy cutting. So this is the card. Oh yeah, these are the My Creative Time new release. Oh, these are so cute. The little snowman, the reindeer. I love that the reindeer is plaid. A cute Christmas tree with gems on it. A cute little star. Present, snowflake. Oh, and look at how pretty this is. Inked beautifully. Love the snow that you added. All the little touches with the holly. And I think that's stickles. Little red nose on the reindeer. That's so cute that there are lights in the antlers. Isn't that a cute card? I love the size of it too. The inside says, Dear Jen, here's just a little something I made for you. I hope you enjoy it. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Hugs and love, Susie, with a little piece of ephemera there and a gemmy. And I love this die here with the stitching. Thank you, Susie. That's so thoughtful of you. Oh my goodness. So that's the card. And then she sent, there are 2 things in the box. I took them out already. Here's the little kiss box from Scrap Diva Designs. And I love this paper, a pretty red bow that came with the die set, a little gingerbread guy with a gem on it too. How cute is this? I love this box. And it slides off just like that. And let's see what's inside. Is it kisses? It is kisses. Yay, 5 Christmas kisses. Thank you. Those are going to stay right here on my desk to eat while I'm crafting. Thank you so much, Susie. I'll put that back on later, but oh, that's so cute. And then there's this little package too. How beautiful is this bag? I'm not sure which bag die this is, but I love the like zigzag top at the, or edge at the top. I'm not sure what to call that. It's not scalloped. It looks like a paper bag. That's so cute. And then this frame for the handle. And this is a My Creative Time ephemera again. I'm pretty sure it's My Creative Time. And look at this like craft paper with the plate die, and then a frame cut out of gold paper. And these beautiful poinsettias you've made. I love this like flourish in the background too. That's a great idea to have one out of paper. And just all the pretty papers that go together. That snowflake paper. I love the snowman in the mug with all the little treats. It says Merry Christmas. Oh, what a cute tag or bag. And here's a tag on it. It says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Oh, this is so, so cute. Love the bow, the little heart tag, the twine. You inked around the edges. Oh, that's cute. And inside we've got a little goodie. That's the inside of the bag. Oh, love this paper. So did you stamp this yourself with the gingerbread stamps? If you did, that is such a great idea. Okay, let me open this up. You're so thoughtful, Susie. Oh, yay, a calendar, a desk calendar for 2026. This is adorable. Oh, look at the little girl hugging the snowman. So there's January, made so beautifully. And these are nice, thick, like there's chipboard in between the layers here. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's a great idea to have 1 month on each side. That's a great idea. February, will you be my Valentine? The little bears. Oh, this is cute. And of course, 14 is highlighted. Oh, this is a great idea to put one on each side. And look at the pies there. Normally, I don't like to look ahead at my calendars because I like to be surprised, but I want to show you everything here and I'll forget anyway. So I'll just get to see them again. Ooh, I love that brick pattern on the back there. Happy spring. And then there's April with the bunnies. Oh, I love that plate die. Your Sun Bunny special. May, ooh, look at the pretty colors. Nice bright pink and yellow and blue. Home Tweet Home. Oh, so cute. This is so thoughtful. I know this took a ton of work. Look at the face on that bee. That's cute. June. And you turn it over and there's July. Cute. August, strawberries. You know, I love that one. September, happy fall. Wow, all the little paper piecing you did and inking. What a thoughtful present. Oh my gosh. And practical too. I love practical gifts. Love the little enamel dots there. How cute. Have a sweet Halloween. Oh, love the pies, like I said. And then there's December. What a nice gift. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, you guys. To Susie for my card and all the goodies. To Muriel for my beautiful card. I really appreciate you so much, and you're very, very thoughtful. So thank you. And let me get the haul things out now. I just moved them off to the side so I could show you everything else. Not a lot, just a few things. I have some crafty orders coming that I think they're been a little bit delayed, maybe because of all the orders. I did order from officesupply.com and another one, I forget the name of it. So I'll have those for you next week. But I did stop into Hobby Lobby this week. I got these buttons, and these were 99 cents. It says $2.99. I think they're 99 cents, right? And these are just little tiny circles. There's red ones, white ones, and red ones with white polka dots and white ones with red polka dots. So I love how small these are. I think these are like, let me see, let me measure them. They look like 1/4 inch buttons. Doesn't say, right? No. Okay, so these are, yeah, they're about 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit more. Tiny bit more. But those would be good for like eyes, you know, if you're doing like felt gingerbread. Well, maybe not eyes, you don't want red eyes, but a red nose for Rudolph, or, you know, whatever. It's good to have little buttons. So I got those, and then I also got like a strainer for my kitchen sink, and it has like a Christmas tree on the inside, so I can't show you that. It's already in my sink, and yeah, so, and then I got a present for my husband, which I can't tell you because sometimes he watches my videos, so I will show you guys that another time. Let's see. Okay, so I went to Homegoods, one that I don't go to too often, but I got some things this time. And I got this tissue paper from Jingles and Joy. It was $5.99, and it has 26 specialty, 12 solid, and 12 white. Love these little vintage looking Santa Clauses on there. And then there's the red with the gold dots on it, the white, and then the white with the red snowflakes. So always need new tissue paper. Oh, guess what? We're getting a Ross store. I am so excited. We haven't had one here ever. Well, there might have been one in Syracuse a while back, but not now. There are one or two in Rochester now, which is like an hour away from me, but now we're getting one in Syracuse next year, so I cannot wait. Anyway, back to Homegoods. I got these Christmas plates, and these are like lunch size. They're 16 plates. These were $4.99 by Mary Mary, and I love the traditional colors, but there's a little bit of pink in there too. There's some gold foiling. They're just really cute. I think they'd be very nice for Christmas time. And then I got the matching big plates too. And these are not scalloped on the edge, but they have a little bit different decorations, but the same deer in the middle. Those were $6.99 for 16. So I'd like to have some special ones in addition to just like, regular utilitarian paper plates. So these would be good for like lunch, because we have a company coming for Christmas for several days. So I like to use real plates for dinner, but I think these would be good for lunchtime and breakfast too. And then I got these bags that I thought were so pretty. And these were, sorry, let me show you that first. Punch Studio, 3 gift bags for $4.99. And I think they're all the same. Yeah. So they have the very traditional retro kind of looking Santa, again with the gold foiling. Merry Christmas to all. And they come with tags on them too that say from Santa. So always need to get more gift bags, especially like this medium size. I feel like I use these a lot. So I got those. And then the last thing I got, I believe, are these little gift boxes from My Mind's Eye. And it comes with 6 treat boxes. It was $7.99, and they're 4 by 5 by 2 3/4. So I thought we'd open one together and take a look. Yes, I can make things like this, but these are already made and very, very cute. You just like pop them together like that, I guess. And oh, look how cute these are. So you would fold the insides in, punch out this, not the insides, fold the sides in. And let's see, I guess, let's take this out too. Not that I really need more gift boxes right now. I mean, I think I'm pretty much done with wrapping, but, maybe for Happy Mail at some point. Now, how does this go? Oh, I guess you'd have to, okay, so you got to bend this like this. So tell me what you guys have been up to. This weekend, my daughter got me tickets to see Wicked. We're going to go and see that. Not the movie, the show. And we're going to go out to dinner before that. And then there's also a craft fair this weekend at a local nursery. So we're going to go to that as well. So it'll be a nice fun-filled weekend, I hope. We've been getting so much snow that it's crazy. We've had, let's say, over 32 inches of snow already this season, which is just ridiculous, way over average. So I'm tired of it already. It's not even officially winter. But that looks cute, right? You could probably just, score this or, burnish it a little more to make it flatter. But that is a cute little box. Wow. So yeah, got those. And I think that's it for what I've gotten. Since I haven't been doing design team work, I thought I would be able to come on. I'm just going to do a little chatting now. If you're done with the video, thank you for stopping by. But if you want to stick around and hear what I've been up to, please do. So yeah, I thought I would have more time to do crafting this week. I didn't get around to doing any crafting really at all because I've been wrapping Christmas gifts, and that's kind of crafting, and sending things out. I sent some more Christmas cards out. I also painted my bathroom in the basement. So I'll put some pictures up here. I had shown you the painting that I'm gonna put up on the screen, that I had changed the color of the frame from gold to silver. So I finally got around to painting the bathroom, and just put out a few things, like a new lamp and a new towel. And I just used some leftover paint that the painters had used to paint our master bathroom when that was redone a couple years ago. So I had half a gallon left. So I figured, I really don't need to buy new paint. I could just use this. So I think it looks pretty good. So I think it's called Balboa Mist from Benjamin Moore, in case you're interested. But I think it came out really good. It used to be a coral bathroom with a mermaid theme, and now it's just kind of calm and spa-like, I think. So, I mean, it's just a little half bath in the basement, but it looks cute. So I did that, and we decorated our tree on Sunday, which was really nice. And just doing Christmas stuff, shopping and packing and, everything. I got to start baking too. So yeah, I would love to hear what you guys are up to. Hope you enjoyed this haul. I hope to be back on soon with an actual crafting video. I definitely will plan to this week. And thank you again to Susie and Muriel. I really appreciate your wonderful mail, and you guys are so good to me. I will be back soon. Have a wonderful weekend. Please leave me a comment, and please give this video a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed it. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.